Welcome. You are visiting Legends Realty's exclusive video tour. Sit back and enjoy our video showcasing all the options this property has to offer. If you wish to see this home in person, please call or email. 4/3, 3-car garage, single-family home, backs up to wildlife preserve, living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen with island and appliances included, stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, disposal, family room, master bath has double vanity, jacuzzi tub, separate glass shower and private toilet area, inside utility room with washer and dryer hookups only, carpet, tile and laminate throughout home, walk-in closets, tray ceilings, additional storage, sprinkler system, screen patio, lawn care included, exterior pest control included, pets okay, no smoking community pool, guard gated community, year built 2005/2555 square feet. Directions, from West Lake Mary Boulevard, turn R onto Reinhardt Road, turn L onto H.E. Thomas Jr. Parkway, turn R onto Orange Boulevard, turn L